Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus Coinomi. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are available in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Guarda Wallet and Coinomi, two versatile multi-asset wallets, focusing on their features, target audiences, and overall user experience to help you choose the right one for your needs. Guarda Wallet is a non-custodial wallet that supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most comprehensive options for managing diverse portfolios. It is accessible across multiple platforms, including mobile, desktop, web, and as a browser extension, offering flexibility for users. Guarda boasts features such as a built-in exchange, staking options for various cryptocurrencies, and seamless integration with hardware wallets for enhanced security. Since Guarda is non-custodial, users retain full control over their private keys, ensuring a secure environment. Its intuitive interface caters to beginners, while its advanced functionality appeals to experienced users looking for a feature-rich wallet. Coinomi, like Guarda, is a multi-currency wallet known for its strong emphasis on privacy and security. Supporting over 125 blockchains and thousands of assets, it is a robust option for managing diverse crypto holdings. Coinomi stands out with its focus on anonymity, as it does not track user activity or collect personal data. The wallet offers in-app exchanges and supports cold staking for select cryptocurrencies. Its mobile and desktop apps are easy to navigate, though it lacks a browser extension. Coinomi also provides native SegWit support, which is advantageous for Bitcoin and Litecoin users. However, it does not integrate directly with hardware wallets, which may be a drawback for users seeking maximum security. In summary, Guarda Wallet is ideal for users who need a multi-platform wallet with staking, exchange, and hardware wallet support. It's great for those managing a variety of assets and seeking advanced features. Coinomi is a solid choice for users prioritizing privacy and simplicity, with a focus on native blockchain support and cold staking. If hardware wallet integration and extensive staking options matter to you, Guarda is the better pick. For privacy-focused users managing a wide array of assets, Coinomi excels. Explore the links in the description to learn more about each wallet.